Creating multiple emails. Now, the question you want to ask is, why do people want to create multiple emails? Now, it might be due to their businesses or different purposes. But the reason why I'm making this video is because the questions of asking how do I create multiple emails without having to insert a phone number, that is why I'm creating this video. So this video is going to take you step by step on how you can possibly do this without having to insert a phone number. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, all I just want from you is to pay attention to every details that will be explained in this video. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. Following the normal Gmail procedures, now you want to go ahead to create your email address. So what you should actually note is that you are to create around 5 Gmail on your device before you be prompted to start adding a mobile number to the next ones you'll be creating. So you are eligible for, I think, 5 Gmail or above. Then later on you are going to be asked to add a mobile number to it. Now this is what you're going to be doing. Once following the normal procedures in creating Gmail on your mobile phone, you are going to come right here, and you are going to go over to your profile right here. So you're going to click on your profile. So the moment you click on your profile, you are going to add another email address. You can see where to add another Gmail address. So you're going to click on this. So you are going to be clicking on the Google. So it's going to prompt you, bring you to this particular section. So you just have to hold on. It's going to bring you over to this section. Now this section, let's say we actually want to go ahead with the email that was sent to us on maybe different platforms or your Gmail from Apple or the likes of it. What you have to do is to click on create account, right? So the moment you click on create account, you come down to for personal use, right? So now we are going to insert a password, right? So you're going to come right here and insert a password. So we're going to insert the password. Now this is the normal process of you creating your Gmail address, right? So this is the normal process right here. So this is the normal process. So we click on next. All right. So we are going to be creating another email. So this actually is going to be created without a mobile number. So you click on next. So you can see it right here. Choose which of these you want to use. So it depending on what you want to use that for. So let's go ahead with step 1. I will click on next. So you can see that I just created this without having to put a mobile number. Now this is what you're going to be doing. Let's confirm this. Let's confirm this. You can see that this email was created without a phone number. Now let me show you what you are to do to get this done on your end. So the process is actually very simple. This email was just created right now without having to put in a mobile number. So I'm going to be showing you what you should do on your own end so you can get this done without having any issues. So let's actually skip this so I can actually show you. Now what you have to do right now is to come over to your settings. Let's minimize this. You come over to your settings. Let's go over to our settings. You come over to your settings. So from this section, we are going to be locating our settings. So the moment you click on settings, you are going to be brought into this section. Now what you have to look for is Google. So you come down until you locate Google. Now the moment you locate Google, the next thing you want to do is to look for all services. Okay, so once you click on all services, you look for phone number verification. So yours might be different. Just make sure you follow the process. So this is phone number verification. Now the moment you click on that, you are going to be brought into this section. Now you can see automatically verify phone number. Now these settings actually makes it request for phone number whenever you want to create your Google account. So right here, it says automatic phone number verification helps Google deliver service to this device and lets your friends reach you through Google services like Meet and Messages. Your operators may charge you for texts, blah, blah, blah. So what you have to do when you're on this section is to turn this off, right? So you are actually turning this off. So right now, we are actually turning this off. So you can see we have turned this off. So on your own end, you're going to be finding it turned on. So what you can actually do is to follow this process I just showed you to turn this off. So let's quit this and let's come back again. So you go back to settings again. You go back to settings again and you look for apps, right? So depending on your device, so you click on apps. So under apps, you're going to be finding Google Play services. Sometimes you might not get all the apps. What you have to do is to click on all apps. So you can see right here from this place, let's manage apps. So that's what I'm saying. From your end, it might be different. So this is where we are supposed to be. So depending on your device, so you come under manage apps, right? So from here, you are going to be looking for Google Play services. So we are going to be looking for Google Play services. From this, let's see. So we are looking for Google Play services. Let's see Google Play Store. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is to clear the cache. Okay, you're going to be clearing the data and the cache. Now note that this particular section, you are going to be clearing some passwords that are on your emails. So we are going to do this right here. We are going to clear all data and we are also going to be clearing all cache. So that is that. For that, you can see right here, you can as well clear some of all these things. So some of all these things triggers those requesting for the mobile number. All right, so clear all data. So make sure you are aware of this before going ahead, because most of your password might be cleared off. Now after this, the next thing you want to do is to go over to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, and download this Tubo VPN, right? You are going to download this Tubo VPN. Let me show you the VPN from this particular section. Now this is the particular VPN, Tubo VPN, or you can actually go ahead to download any VPN of your choice. So Tunnel Bear can also work. Tubo VPN can also work, right? So you can actually download Tubo VPN or Tunnel Bear. Now this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be connecting to the US server, so you can actually get connected. So once you're connected, you can see it right here. You can connect to a US server, locate Miami, and you are actually connected. So once you're connected to a US server, maybe Miami or any, you can as well go back to create your Google or your email rights on your device. Now by so doing, you will not be requested for a phone number. So that is the process of which you can create multiple Gmail without having to insert a phone number. So I believe this is well understood, and the process is quite simple, which you can follow. So you can do this and you'll be creating multiple emails without having to insert a phone number from your end. You can use this for your Gmail Farmer Pro and some other platforms that request multiple email address, and also for your businesses. So when you take a look at this process, you can actually see that it is very simple. All you just have to do is to take the process one after the other. Then you are going to be seeing that you'll be able to create multiple emails without having to insert any mobile numbers. This process applies to Android, iOS phones, and some other devices, maybe tab. So you can actually see these settings on your Google Play Store, or your Google section. So you can actually do the settings and actually get to have to create multiple emails without having to put a virtual or a mobile number. Now, the reason why I made this video is because there's also a platform called Gmail Farmer Pro, or so, something like that. So some of my colleagues have been asking questions regarding how they can actually make emails without having to put in a virtual or a business phone number. So you can actually follow this process and see how it works for you. So at your end, if you actually get any misunderstanding or any issue, you can fall back to this particular video, drop your comments so I can know where to fall in or where to help you, or even make other videos and research concerning you getting creating multiple emails without having a phone number. So all you can actually do is to try this method and come back and let us know where we can actually assist. So this is all about this video, and this is what you can actually get to get multiple emails, creating multiple emails for different purposes without having to insert any mobile number at your end. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp group, where you get to learn more updates and more things that can benefit you in today's world. You can actually find the links on the pinned comment section where you get to click and join instantly. So see you on my next video and keep winning.